Hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are keeping safe and fine at home and keeping good care of yourselves. After a long time, I am back with my new video lesson. Today, I will teach you from Standard 5, Gulmohar Reader, Unit 7, The Thief is Caught. So let's begin our lesson with a positive note. Do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways. So, dear children, whenever we do something good for others, some good work, whenever we help others, our help comes in form of a reward. We are rewarded by the supreme power in some way or the other. We never know that we will be rewarded. Means we should not help others in expectation of any reward. Okay, but we are sure to get some reward for our good work, and this is also relevant in this lesson. Let's know how. So let's begin our chapter, The Thief is Caught. After teaching you this chapter, I have decided that I will also upload the question answers and the exercises for you, because some of you have asked me that I should also upload the question answers for your help. So, dear children, let's begin. Okay. Emil Erich Kästner was a German author, poet, and screenwriter known for his humorous but wise poems. Okay, so we see that Emil Erich Kästner, he was a German author. Author means one who writes books. Okay. Then he was also a poet and screenwriter. Screenwriter means one who writes poem, or one who writes stories for films or telefilms, like that. Okay. Known for his, he was also known for his humorous means funny but wise poems. Okay, his poems were also filled with some moral lesson. Okay, he is well known for his children's books like Emil and the Detectives. So this story is taken is an extract from Emil and the Detectives. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature 4 times. Okay, so you see, dear students, he was not he did not get the Nobel Prize in Literature, but he was nominated. Okay, for 4 times. His books are notable for their humorous style and minimal use of words. Okay, so he did not use difficult words. He used easily understandable words in his stories, as we will get to see when we proceed towards the lesson. Okay, so Emil is a little boy who lives with his mother. Although she has very little money, she gives Emil some to give his grandmother and some to spend in the city. Emil experiences an unexpected adventure on the way. Read on to find out what happens. Okay, so Emil, as we see, he is a little boy who lives with his mother. Okay, and his mother uh, barely mm, could earn for her livelihood. Okay, and so she has very little money, and from that little amount she gives some of the money to Emil to give to his grandmother, who lives in another city. Okay, and some to spend in the city, and some for his own expenditure. Okay, and then when Emil set out on his journey, there he experiences an unexpected adventure. What is that unexpected adventure? We will find out. Okay, so dear children, let's begin now. There were four other people in the compartment of the train along with Emil. One was a man who wore a black hat. Emil somehow did not like him. He did not know the man's name and thought of him as Black Hat. So, Emil was in a train compartment, and there were four other people in the compartment of the train along with Emil. Okay, so see, there were four other people in the train compartment. Okay, you can see in the picture over here. Okay, you can see three of the people, and one is seated over there this side, who is not visible. Okay, so there were four other people in the compartment of the train along with Emil, and one was a man who wore a black hat. Okay, so Emil somehow did not like that man. It happens sometimes that we like someone for no reason. Okay, and we hate someone for we don't have any reason for hating or for loving a person. Okay, but somehow it happens that for no reason we like a person, and for no reason we dislike a person. Okay, so Emil did not meet a black hat before, but somehow he did not like him. Okay, he did not know the man's name and thought of him as Black Hat. Okay, so as he was wearing a black hat, so he named that person Black Hat. ठीक है, ऐसा होता है जब हम किसी इंसान को नहीं जानते हैं, तो जैसा कि मैं कह रही थी बच्चों कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम किसी इंसान को नहीं जानते होते हैं, तो उसने जो कपड़े पहने होते हैं या फिर उसकी कोई एक पहचान होती है, ठीक है, तो उसी के बेसिस पे हम उसका नाम रख देते हैं। तो एमिल ने भी इसको ब्लैक हैट के नाम से पुकारा मतलब कि उसको आवाज़ नहीं दी, उसको ब्लैक हैट वो ब्लैक हैट के नाम से वो जानने लगा। ठीक है, सो व्हेन एमिल वॉज लेफ्ट अलोन विथ ब्लैक हैट इन द कंपार्टमेंट, ही डिसाइडेड टू वॉच द मैन केयरफुली although he was feeling sleepy. Okay, so Emil he was feeling sleepy because due to the warmth in the compartment. Okay, the compartment was warm, and it was cold outside, and the train compartment was warm. Okay, so he was feeling sleepy, but as he was left alone with Black Hat in the compartment, because the two people in the compartment had left the compartment because probably they have reached their destination. Okay, so Emil was left alone with Black Hat, and so he decided to watch the man carefully. He decided to watch Black Hat carefully because he was very much, he suspected Black Hat of theft. Okay, and as he was carrying money with him, uh, Emil was carrying money with him, so he was pretty sure, he was suspecting Black Hat that he might steal his money. Okay, it was warm in the compartment, and soon Emil fell asleep. When he woke up, Emil realized that Black Hat was gone, and so was his money. Tears filled his eyes when the train stopped. Emil spotted Black Hat as he was getting out of the next compartment. He quickly picked up his bag and followed the man. Okay, so due to the warmth in the compartment, Emil soon fell asleep, and when he woke up, Emil realized that his money was not with him, and Black Hat was also not there. Okay, so he was very much sad. He was very much depressed, as his mother mm, has given him money to give to his grandmother. Okay, and and his mother was not very much rich. His mother could barely earn for their livelihood, and she has spared some money for her grandmother. So so he was very much sad that his money had been stolen. And when he was crying, he was just weeping. Then he spotted Black Hat. He could see Black Hat getting out of the next compartment. Okay, so he decided that he would follow him, and he would get his money back. Okay, तो बच्चों यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया। एमिल ब्लैक हैट के साथ कंपार्टमेंट में अकेले रह गया था, और उसने सोचा कि इस इंसान पे ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि उसे लग रहा था कि पता नहीं ये शायद चोर है। ओके, तो लेकिन क्या हुआ, कंपार्टमेंट में कंपार्टमेंट बहुत गर्म था, अंदर बाहर में बहुत सर्दी थी, बहुत ठंड थी, और कंपार्टमेंट की गर्माहट के कारण उसे नींद आ गई। ओके, सो और जैसे वो जागा तो एमिल ने देखा कि उसके पैसे उसके पास नहीं है, और ना ब्लैक हैट ही वहाँ पे है। फिर उसके आंखों में आंसू भर आए, क्योंकि उसकी माँ ने बहुत कठिनाई से पैसे बचा के उसके ग्रैंडमा को देने के लिए उसको पैसे दिए थे। ठीक है, तो उसने सोचा कि क्या करूं, उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, और ट्रेन भी रुक गई थी। तो एमिल बाहर झांकने लगा, और उसने देखा कि ब्लैक हैट दूसरे कंपार्टमेंट से नीचे उतर रहा है। ठीक है, और उसने भी अपना बैग उठाया, और उसने ब्लैक हैट का पीछा करना शुरू किया। ठीक है, अ फ्यू मिनट्स लेटर एमिल सॉ ब्लैक हैट go into a cafe. He did not follow the man into the cafe. Instead, he stopped on the road and watched. Black Hat will pay for his coffee with my mother's money, thought Emil. He felt very, very sad and looked sad. And after that, a few minutes later, Emil saw Black Hat go inside a cafe. Okay, cafe is a small restaurant that sells snacks and drinks. Okay, and he did not follow the man into the cafe. He did not go inside the cafe. Instead, what he did, he stopped on the road and watched. And as he watched him, as he was waiting outside the cafe, he thought that Black Hat would pay for his coffee with my mother's money. Okay, which my mother gave to me to give to my grandma. And as he thought that, he felt very, very sad, and he was looking very sad. Okay, तो बच्चों एमिल ने ब्लैक हैट को एक कैफ़े के अंदर जाते हुए देखा, और उसने सोचा कि मैं इसको कैफ़े के अंदर जाके ये नहीं करता हूँ, कैफ़े के अंदर नहीं जाता हूँ, रोड पे ही खड़ा रहता हूँ। और फिर रोड पे खड़ा होके वो सोचने लगा कि ब्लैक हैट तो मेरी मम्मी के पैसे से ही पे करेगा कैफ़े के लिए, कॉफ़ी के लिए। ठीक है, तो फिर वो ये सोचते ही बहुत ही उदास हो गया। What's the matter? Someone asked Emil. Emil turned around and saw a boy. He told the boy what had happened. Okay. Then suddenly, as he was thinking, okay, someone asked him, what is the matter? Then Emil turned around and he saw a boy. He then told the boy what had happened. He had no other option. He needed someone to help. Okay. So, I must get the money back, Emil told the boy. I have to give it to my grandmother. Emil told the boy that I must get this money back, because this money has been given to me by my mother to give it to my grandmother. Okay. I will help you, said the boy, whose name was Paul. Now this boy's name was Paul. Okay. He said that I will help you and my friends will also join me. The man is eating now. Watch him while I run and call them. Okay. And so Paul realized that two of them can't encounter that big man. Okay, that big man. So they needed more persons. Okay, so he said that he said that my friends will also join me, and we all will help you. Okay. And he said that the man is eating now, you just watch him while I run and call them. Okay. Paul ran off and soon returned with lots of boys. Let's be detectives and get the money back, Emil said. So Paul then quickly ran off, and he soon returned with lots of boys. And Emil said that let's now be detectives and let's get the money back. Okay. And Emil was now very excited because he had lots of friends to help him. So बच्चों, हम दोस्तों के मदद के बगैर आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है. अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज़ अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. पता नहीं कौन कहाँ कब दोस्त बन जाए और हमारी हेल्प कर दे. तो ऐसे ही एमिल को भी एक पॉल नाम का एक लड़का मिला जो कि उसकी मदद करने के लिए तैयार हुआ. और पॉल के जो दूसरे दोस्त थे वो भी सब लोग एमिल की मदद करने के लिए तैयार हो गए. और एमिल भी बहुत अब उत्सुक हो गया. अब बहुत ही उसको हिम्मत आ गई, कहाँ से साहस आ गई, क्योंकि बहुत सारे दोस्त उसके इकट्ठे हो गए थे. और उन्होंने कहा कि चलो अब डिटेक्टिव बन के अपने पैसे वापस ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. सो टुडे टिल हेयर ओनली, and in our next video lesson, that is part 2 of this lesson, we will try to finish this chapter. Okay. So have a nice day, children. Thank you.